Pating Reviews presents Skytech Shadow Gaming PC, AMD Ryzen 3 3100. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get the latest videos. Also, check out the link to this product in the description below to get it at the best possible price. Better than expected out-of-box performance. The customer service was very helpful overall when I had some issues with my PC when I initially got it. However, now my PC is 100% functional. That's the good news. Ryzen 3 3100 plus GTX 1660 combo is performing, giving way better frames per second than I was expecting. I mainly bought this PC because of the A520 motherboard with the idea of upgrade CPU to Zen 3 and a GPU to the 20 series RTX GPU. I'm getting 60 frames per second plus on most of the games I play: Overwatch, Grand Theft Auto 5, Destiny 2, Apex Legends, on a 1440p 144Hz monitor. Conclusion: bargain PC that you can play games on now and is ready to grow with future needs. Definitely recommend that you check out this gaming PC. Here's a bit more information about this gaming PC. The brand is Skytech Gaming. CPU model is Ryzen 3 3100. Memory size 16GB. RAM installed size 16GB. Series Shadow. The AMD Ryzen 3 3100 4-core 3.6 GHz 3.9 GHz Turbo CPU processor. 1TB SSD, up to 30 times faster than traditional hard disk drives. A520 Motherboard. GeForce GTX 1660 6GB graphics card. Brand may vary. 16GB of DDR4 3000 MHz gaming memory. Windows 10 Home 64-bit. 802.11 AC, no bloatware. Graphic output options include HDMI, DisplayPort, DVI-D, and D sub. Minimum 8 USB ports included: 2.0, 3.0, and 3.2 Gen 1 ports. HD audio and mic. Free gaming keyboard and mouse included. 3 RGB fans powered by 80 plus certified 500 watt power supply. Skytech Shadow gaming case with tempered glass in black. 1 year warranty on parts and labor. Lifetime free technical support, assembled in the USA. This powerful gaming PC is capable of running all your favorite games such as World of Warcraft, League of Legends, Grand Theft Auto 5, Apex Legends, Fortnite, Roblox, Counter-Strike, Battlefield 5, Minecraft, The Division 2, and more at high to ultra settings, crisp 1440p full HD resolution, and smooth 60 plus frames per second gameplay. Thank you for watching this video. All the details for this product are in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to our channel for more videos like this one. Also, if you liked it, please consider giving it a thumbs up.